Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Tech Team Chronos channel where we're going to tinker and learn. Today, we are going to do MS VBA Excellence, VBA Variables, lesson number 6. Without further ado, let's get it going. All right, so that's what we're doing today. In today's lesson is we're going to do lesson number 6, VBA Variables. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, share the video with a friend because sharing is caring, and like the video on your way in. We appreciate all you do. All that you do helps the algorithm. And if you're interested, we have a database for grocery shopping that allows you to keep track of your favorite brands of groceries, lets you to keep track of the good pricing and everything like that. And if you would like to get a copy, you could get a copy from grocerydynamite.com, or you can email me info@grocerydynamite.com for more information. It requires Microsoft Office 2016 Professional Plus or later. And if you go with later, it'll upgrade. It should, as Microsoft applications do usually. So let's get started on the basic lesson here. We have a variable here, and what it is that the name memory location used to hold a value that could be changed during the script execution. Now, the basic rules are you must use a letter as the first character. You can't use a space, period, exclamation mark, or the following characters at, ampersand, dollar sign, numeric sign, and the name. The name also cannot exceed 255 characters in length. Visual Basic reserved keywords can't be used. Okay. Now, the syntax is such that you have to declare the variable before using it. So it would be dim, variable name, as variable type. In the example below, I put dim a as integer. All right, so be sure to click the like button. Now, there are different types of data types, and we're going to take a look at these data types. They could be divided into two main characters, two main categories, I should say, namely numeric and non-numeric data types. We're going to look at some of the tables and there's a lot of different data types that you will see. Everything from a byte, integer, long integer, and you can see that that table is valid on various platforms and such. And then we have the numeric data types continued. You have a single, double, currency, and decimals. And the ranges and the storage sizes, some are incomprehensible. And then we have the non-numeric data types, such as string, variable length, string, fixed length, date, boolean, object, variant with numbers, and variant with characters. And they have their different storage sizes, ranges, and such. Let's see. For us today, it looks like we're going to create a demo by creating a button and naming it along the lines of variable demo 1 to show the use of variables. It's a simple demonstration, nothing exciting here. But this is the code that we're going to be working with. Basically, we're going to declare some variables. We're going to declare a string, an integer, and a date, and we're going to see what it looks like and how it's presented to us on a message box. So without further ado, I'm going to prepare the screens and such. So bear with me a minute and I will get these screens prepared. All right, so here we are. We are with the variable demo. So when I click, but before I do that, I'm going to just go to Visual Basic to prove that I opened up and created a module, and I put our variables demo click in a module 1. And as stated before, as advertised, we have our password as a string, our dim as an integer, and our our num as an integer, and our birthday as a date. We're gonna mess around with some of the different integers and some of the data types and just change them up a little bit before we as we run it. So let's take a look at what we have. So it's tied to this button, and when I hit click, it'll give us this. Okay, and then you click OK. You can do it as many times as you want. Have a ball with it, have a blast with it, whatever. Back to Visual Basic. Now let's change this to a variant and see what happens. I don't know. I don't know, guys. It stays. It works. All right, we're gonna work this code. We're gonna play with around with it a little bit. Um, let's change this into a diction. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I think I spelled that wrong. Well, I don't know if that. Maybe we could do it as an array. I don't know. No, that's not gonna work. An array is not one of them. We'll have to go back to our notes a little bit. And let's see. Yeah, I don't know. And and let's see what happens. You know, um, save our work as always. Click the button. Okay, so I spelt it wrong. Spelled it wrong. Okay, no big deal. All right, so just give me a minute. Okay, it's it A. There's an A in there. All right, so I like how it tells you. Ooh, oops. It kind of tells you where you went wrong. So it should work. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. So you see how it changes our information a little bit to true. Pretty neat stuff. So you see how you can write this code for yourself. You can play around with the different data types, and you can see for yourself how you can benefit from that. So in our presentation, um, I guess we would be pretty much complete, and that's what we have. So if anything, uh, that's how it works. It's a great thing. We have the different data types that make it like work for us. All right, and if anything, if you're interested, we have the Grocery Dynamite Access 2016 database system that allows you to make sure that you're paying the best price for the groceries and getting the best quality. You can keep track of the amounts, the quantities, and it breaks it down to the unit price per unit. And also, you could rate the groceries based upon your experience with them, and it's breaking out by categories, um, grocery items, and brands and such. And it allows you to get the best grocery experience. It kicks out a list to your Google Drive when you want to go shopping as far as your high priority items. That's what I use the priorities for. So if you'd like to get a copy of the Grocery Dynamite system, you go to grocerydynamite.com, or you can email me info@grocerydynamite.com. It also requires Office 2016 Professional Plus or later. And that's really pretty much all I have to say for today. Thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, share the video with a friend. Sharing is caring, and like the video on your way out. Thank you again. Have a great day.